civil authority has issued child abduction emergency for the following counties or areas. Florida, at 7:41 p.m. on September 25th, 2025, effective until 9:41 p.m. A Florida Amber Alert has been issued for Caden Spade, white male, 17 years old, 6 feet tall, 150 pounds, brown hair and brown eyes, last seen in the area of the 12800 block of SW Highway 484 in Donnellan, Florida, who was last seen wearing an unknown colored t-shirt and blue jeans. Caden may be in the company of 4 unknown males, possibly Hispanic. They may be traveling in a light-colored van. If located, do not approach. Contact law enforcement immediately. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please contact the Marion County Sheriff's Office at 352-732-9111 or 911-FLAMBER. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please contact the Marion County Sheriff's Office at 352-732-9111 or 911-FLAMBER.